We can go to Japan tomorrow.
That's fun.
Oh, you didn't do it like me. There's bananas with minions in it. Sweet. Alright, so I just got my lashes done. Here we are. Look at her. She looks cute. Caleb also tried to get me up in the middle of the night. I went to go take a nap and he was just like, remember, Mom? He's like, who's the one who decided last week that we're going to go to Japan tomorrow? What? Who does that? It was such a good deal, though. I'm excited. I'm a nervous wreck, but I'm really excited for this. Everything's worked out, so charging the car. Getting some in and out before we go to San Francisco. Oh my god, we're outside. I have to pee so bad. I didn't. I have a passport. Oh. We can go to Japan tomorrow. Look how dirty my car is. This is not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like this, where it just repels the water. This one's like absorbing the shit of it. Alright, so we made it here. We are at San Jose Airport. I look like absolute shit right now. So I did get a compliment while I was at TSA, and she told me that I looked really young and beautiful, and what was my secret. And I was like, yeah, that's my son. She just looks at me with like the utmost shock as she's holding my like boarding pass. What do you mean, son? When did you have him? Like when you were 10? I actually just like turned 37 last week. Like, oh my god, how do you do it? And she just went into a slew of questions. We didn't leave till like 7:30. That was a bad idea. You know why? Because traffic. If you don't make it like exactly an hour before your flight's check-in, you cannot fly. Oh shoot, she's doing the passports. I'm not ready. Hold on. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Can you open your passport?
Yes, yes.
How old are you if you don't mind?
Me?
Who else would it be?
Young, huh?
37.
You're still young. You look young.
Oh. Yeah.
You don't look like this.
This is my son.
37. This is your son?
Yeah.
Ito yung single. Ito yung pay.
Oh!
Because sorry.
I knew you were.
However, it will not affect the safety of the flight.
What is this? Ooh, well, I think I saw the lady eating this. Should I try this one? Is it like bad of me to also want this one? Cream puff. I don't know. Juice mix. I'm gonna try this first.
I did this wrong.
Oh, you didn't
Don't be
do.
like me.
And then you press it down so it sticks to the rice.
Somebody.
I have the egg tart, but I forgot to get it. Oh, he's so cute. Well, maybe there's a utensil here.
There's always a utensil here.
Not on this one. To the JR line. And then like car number 8. This is us. We're waiting for our train. He like switched all the cars and I missed it. 12.
And Shibuya. All seats on this train.
ご案内いたします。この電車は東京発車です。発車まで5分後。この列車は成田エクスプレス。
Welcome aboard Narita Express bound for Shinjuku.
Oh, sorry. You're right. That's actually bigger than I thought. What were the chances that the only 2 people in the hallway happened to be standing next to our door?
There's no way. And then when I saw the last one, I was like, oh my god, I'm right next to it. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, there's no way our hotel room.
This is much bigger than I thought. Oh, they have their matcha line. I kind of want this. Recommended product. This is like always a good thing. We're just gonna get a bunch of matcha stuff. There's so many. I don't think I'm gonna eat it all. It's 2.
See this? We do not have this.
Yeah. Never shop with me because I convinced myself to get everything.
But we should check out the other one. They have no natural food.
Oh, it's all sold out.
Oh,
Yes, please. Look at it. Nutritious.
I'm gonna buy it. No more though.
It's really light. I might have to get one. Because the first cream puff I bought, I let it go, and it's now sad.
There's actually 2 flavors in this.
I would squeeze this, but everything's gonna come out. It's all okay. This is exactly how scary movies start. Imagine a zombie pass by. Oh, it got really cold. What the These Lawsons are open 24 hours. We're going to a second one because Caleb wants more options, and he's hoping there's like an onigiri there. Oh, he found it. Yay! Duh! He did it! What's smaller? Might be less stuff. I already know it's hot. Mission accomplished. Kiehan, Hatsu meal. His actually looks really good. I have a hot tea. And then I got some egg, boba. So, how is it?
Not god awful.
My one egg, the other one was raw. I don't know if I'm just supposed to eat it like this. I don't know how I feel about this. The potato starch thing. Just let this slurp out. I'm just hungry.
What?
I like how you have a caffeinated tea.
Oolong's caffeinated?
Yeah, I guess it's like take a shower, take a little nap, and go to Universal. Good morning. 6 in the morning. I just got up. Did I have 2 dots exactly in the same spot? And there's already so many people. There's been people coming in. It opened at 7.
Honestly, I don't really tell.
So I like swipe it. Swipe. This crunchiness.
There's that.
I could eat like 1,000 of these.
What a good idea. What is that, best?
It's like a breadstick, but it has like a marinara seasoning. What kind of porridge is this? Good soup.
I gave you the star.
Oh, what? It's a star.
That was my only star.
Whoa. That's really good. Holy shit, I shipped out now. This one? It's like a wafer. I'm not disappointed with how we came in the park. We got into the Super Mario. I am sad about the Demon Slayer, but I'm hoping if we keep checking, if I could just end my day, like somehow, some way, getting into Demon Slayer, I'd be so happy. Obviously, we're a couple months late for JJK. What? That's so cute. Wait, is that? Not gonna lie, I thought it came with the meal. quick palate cleanse. Oh. This cake is really good.
Oh, there's like chocolate inside.
Mine has like, oh, that's cool. Whoa.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't
Oh,
want
these
to
cups are so cute. This is Caleb's. Mmm. I like this.
Oh, this is really soft.
This one's actually really nice. This is kind of cute.
You should do that on the top.
He's so close. I like the little crunchies. That's his. Gotta get the points. Gotta get the points. So tired. Look at this blanket I got. We made it to the crab track and we're like early, which is great. How you feeling, dude?
Honestly, could have done more.
We should have ran through Mario. Good morning. We are in Tokyo. He got lost too. He was like, where's B2?
You gotta